Hi, this is the Galaxy A05S and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. By this way we could create a new home screen folder. Also we can make it by another way, just hold for a while the application, tap to select and select for example a couple of apps which you wanna add to your folder. Click on the right upper corner to create folder and by this way we could also create the new one. Also we could make it by another way, just open the folder, select the application. For example, if you got here a couple, let's just add here one more app and just select these applications and you could create the new folder from the first one. Just to give a name to the folder, click to folder name and enter the name. Also you could rename it by the same way, or also you could hold it for a while, tap to edit icon to rename it. We could also change the color of the folder. Let's just open it, tap here and select one from the available colors, or also you could use your custom color here. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, we could remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold and drag it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.